Hi, I'm Paula, a curriculum designer here at NuVuX. Today, I'm going to show you how those chopsticks that came in your takeout order can be a great brainstorming tool for your students. Brainstorming can be challenging for some students. Coming up with wild and divergent ideas and sharing them out is a skill that can be tricky for some kids, and that needs to be practiced. In this quick, low stakes and fun brainstorm, students are tasked with thinking of how an everyday item, like takeout chopsticks, could find new purposes. Push students to come up with as many ideas as possible in a short amount of time. The chopstick challenge is pretty straightforward. How many ways can you think to repurpose takeout chopsticks? Kate, bringing a whiteboard. This works great as a transitional activity to start the day or move into a different class block. You could do this brainstorm weekly with different objects, like an empty tissue box, plastic water bottles, the paper tube of a wrapping paper, and watch your students' brainstorming skills develop. It can be very helpful to have the object on hand to help students think about its form and material. Brainstorming is an important skill in this design studio, but also beyond. Coming up with a lot of different ideas before honing in on one allows students to push themselves out of their comfort zone and widen their perspectives. Done well, a brainstorming session can also steer students away from "my first idea is the best idea" pitfall and foster a more collaborative mindset. Kate, what did you come up with?
Oh, so many good ideas. We have a plant stake. You can make a trivet.
Nice.
You could use it to squeeze the last bit of toothpaste out of the toothpaste tube. We could even make a hair holder out of it.
Like what I have right now.
Nice.
Thank you, Kate. This project is great for elementary age students and could even be used in middle or high school as a transition activity. It's a great way to get imaginations going and remind students that the opportunity to be creative is everywhere. Just one note. If students seem stuck at all, you can offer your own brainstorming ideas to get things going. You can also prompt ideas by being a little bit more specific. For example, what could you use the chopsticks for during your morning routine? Or what could the chopsticks be used for in interacting with your family members? Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoyed this project with your students, and don't forget to share your class's projects and designs with us. You can email them to us or tag us at NuVuX on Instagram or Facebook. See you next time.